Nominees for Best Young Actress in a Short Film are Sara Martín Gordi for The Kind Fairy, Lacey Caroline for The Worm Radio, and Courtney Elisa for The Relapse.
Well, it's not me. And the Young Entertainer Award goes to Sara Martín Gordi. I know you're here. I checked you in.
Wow, thank you so much. I'm so excited to be here and I'm so honored to be holding this right now. I just came the other day from Spain and I'm so glad the short film in Catalan actually made it to Hollywood, which is whoa. But I want to thank first of all my parents and then the director of the short film, Marc, who is there, right there. And yeah, wow, I'm so honored. Thank you so much.
Our next presenter is not only a beloved member of the Young Entertainer Awards family, but he also happens to be